Hello, it's Faye here from Unravel and Unwind, and I'm joined by Syreeta, also of Unravel and Unwind. And today we are looking through our winter Artful boxes, winter 2020 Artful boxes. And the design on the front just looks amazing.
Yeah, it really does. Love it.
So this is a hint as to what the box is all about this month. I believe it's all to do with ink.
Yeah, I gathered that it was quite inky as well.
Let's get in there. Yeah, we haven't pulled these yet.
Pulling my
Listen to this sound.
Came off in one piece this time. Yeah, let's get creative. I'm getting the ink. I'm going straight for the ink. It is Pelikan ink. Pelikan 4001 fountain pen ink in blue black. I'm opening the box.
And
oh, I love it.
It's a full 30ml bottle.
It's gorgeous. I love it. Ooh. Can't wait to get into that one.
Oops, yeah. I've already broken the seal.
Oh, you're opening it up. Ooh.
That's a really nice blue. So if you guys have been following us for a little while now and have been watching our unboxing videos, you already know that Syreeta and I are fans of fountain pens. And if you see my social media, you know that I really like messing around with fountain pen inks. So to get a 30ml bottle of Pelikan ink in the Artful box this month is actually a really nice bonus. And I'm quite looking forward to seeing if there's any chromatography with this particular ink.
Absolutely, yeah. It's whenever they sort of choose a really specific brand, I'm wondering why, and that's got to be the reason.
Yeah, I'm really hopeful that that's the reason why. We've got a nice long box here, and I can only imagine that this box might have maybe brushes or pens inside. Oh, it's got tissue paper inside.
More tissue paper. Oh,
wow,
nice little selection. I like.
So what have we got? We've got an F pencil.
What's an F pencil?
Well, a lovely friend of mine, Riven, who used to do the art classes, she would describe the pencil grades a bit like Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Had your B pencils, which were your soft pencils, your hard pencils, which were Daddy Bear was like the hardest pencils, and then an HB would be like Mummy Bear because she was just right, and the Bs would be the soft pencils, so they would be Baby Bear, and the F would be Goldilocks because she was useless, spelled with an F.
Effing useless.
Yeah. And that was how she would describe an F pencil. Nice. Sorry, Artful.
Well, we may find out what the use is for it.
We have a white Chinograph pencil or films, plastics, china and glass. I've never had a Chinograph pencil, so that's nice. We have a Unipin Fine Line water and fade proof pigment ink pen, 0.3. Ooh, clear wax crayon.
Yeah, I have a feeling we'll be doing a resist technique at some point.
We have got 2 brushes. Oh, we've got the Artful brand. One's a flat brush and one is a round brush. We've got 3 water brushes. Oh, they've got different tips. I've never had a water brush either.
Got a few, but I don't have that nice one.
These are new to me. So we got a flat water brush, a long round brush, and a fine round brush. So they are going to be interesting to work with. I've never used them before.
I'm gonna go for the square. It's heavy. It's got glass in it.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
Well wrapped. Well wrapped. Oh, we have 6 inks in dropper bottles. They are acrylic ink.
Ooh.
And it looks like we have black, scarlet. Now, I honestly, I'm a little bit funny here, but I don't think this is scarlet. I would call this vermilion. Scarlet is a bluish red, and I don't see the blue in it, but that might just be me. Maybe it expresses different when it's dry. We have a violet, which is really quite dark in the bottle and almost indistinguishable from the black. Then
I've actually opened the violet so we can have a look.
We have a deep green, which looks almost like it's a bit of a turquoisey. There seems to be a bit of blue quality in this green.
I think you're right. Hang on, I'm popping it. Ooh,
trying to think of the watercolors that these would relate to.
Look at that. That's the green.
Yes. And the yellow, it's called lemon yellow. It is quite, it doesn't mess around. This is really interesting though, because we have two different light conditions in our separate locations. And you can tell because we've got the exact same contents here, but the colors are so different. And the sixth one that we have is Prussian blue. I love Prussian blue. So yeah, we've got acrylic ink and we've got the sort of more, I guess, water-based, I guess you'd say, fountain pen ink. So
yeah,
we have so far got 7 bottles of ink.
And they're all big bottles. They're not like sample bottles. These
are full size.
30ml bottles of ink. So we've got 6 30ml bottles of ink. They reminded me of the Ecoline bottles.
Yeah, I was just going to get one of mine out to compare the size because I've got one right here. This is my Ecoline. This does not come in the kit. This is mine. If I hold that up, it's actually the Artful acrylic ink container is larger, but I think it's because the glass base is thicker.
Right.
Yeah, because the Ecoline says 30ml as well, but the glass base is thinner. So it is a 30ml bottle.
So, wow, 7 30ml bottles of ink. Brilliant. And they did say in their adverts that this was their biggest box yet.
Excellent. And the same price.
Yep, same price, £35. Wow.
Well done, Artful, for getting all this,
Very well done,
content
Artful.
In here. And getting it to us in one piece. It is a miracle.
Well, I've moved the tissue paper out of the way to have a look at what else is in the box. And I've been met by this pack of 4 cards and envelopes.
Sorry about my crinkling.
Looks like watercolor paper. It says
it feels kind of like almost like a suede texture.
Yeah, and it says on the back, slightly coated 280 GSM boards suitable for wet and dry media. So specifically for use with the inks.
Hey, and what have we here? Another beautiful A4 pack of paper. This time it is premium heavyweight watercolor paper. And
yes, so
300 GSM, 25 feet.
And it's really, it's not just paper, it's like board.
Yeah,
it's
300 really GSM, so it will be thicker than the cards that we've just looked at.
Yeah.
And made in the UK.
Fabulous.
Artful. It is a giant book. Oh, we've got another lovely comprehensive book on our hands.
Oh, yes. These books are amazing.
I know better. Last time we spent ages looking through this on the air and bored our viewers to death. So I'm not going to look at it right now. But it looks amazing. I can't wait to crack it open.
I'm quite looking forward to this. And I think I might actually try the projects this time as opposed to going off and doing my own thing like I did with the lino printing.
Yeah, same. I mean, I'm in no way done with that lino kit yet, but
no, me either.
It's actually the good thing about these boxes now that we've had 2 of them is that I think that they're they're not really a one-time thing. They're actually there to introduce you to and get you set up for a different type of art.
I think you're right.
And I honestly think the quality of the products and stuff, it means to, you know, if you do get involved with this, this is going to see you write for quite a long time.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I'm impressed. I'm seriously impressed with Artful in general, and with Oh Dear in general, if I'm to be honest.
Yeah.
Because Oh Dear do all kinds of different boxes. And I mean, you've seen the sock boxes, right?
I have, because I bought sock boxes for the girls for their Christmas presents.
Gorgeous. They have themed sock boxes called Put a Sock in It. They've got a cactus club, if you like succulents. They've got obviously Paper Gang, which we love.
Mm-hmm.
And they do have other sort of assorted craft boxes in their shop, so it's well worth going to check out Oh Dear.
Oh yeah, definitely. And I'll put those links in the description below. So I'll put the link to Artful, and I will put a link to Oh Dear, so that you can go and check out what other stuff that they've got. They are all UK based, which for us as artists is just lovely. It's nice to have something come from the UK for a change.
Yep.
Yeah, we've been really happy with them. So we will be back with you again with our video on trying out some of the projects in the Artful box. It is Christmas Eve now, so it'll be a little while before we have a go at that. But I don't know about you, Syreeta, but I'm excited to be bringing this to our YouTube channel.
Yeah. I mean, I'm really tempted to just like grab some water and test the chromatography right now. I know, but I mean, do you want to wait? Do you want to leave it till next time?
I think we'll do that next time. Oh, no, go on. Go on. We've got a few minutes. Go for it.
So let's do this. I've decided not to wait. I am going to try our chromatography swatch process. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dip my wash brush in some water, which is off camera. And then I am going to just paint some water onto here. Right now, I'm just going to take the smallest, teeniest amount of our Pelican ink. And I'm just going to, ooh, now wait a minute. I didn't get enough. There you go. Right. And what we're supposed to do with this is we're going to wait a little while, and we're going to see what happens, because the water, it interacts with the ink, and it can, if it's that kind of ink, it can separate different colors out of the ink. I'm impatient. I don't wait as long as I should for this to happen. But I'm assuming if we give it a minute, pour water to it, and then I'll bend it. Okay, now I'll wait.
Yeah, what we're doing is we're looking to see whether or not there are any other colours that come through the ink while it's wet in the water. And not all inks do this, so not all of them have the chromatography effect, but it's really handy when they do have chromatographic effects, because you can actually create a whole image just using one colour ink. But because of the chemical reactions with water and bleach, when you use bleach, you can get a lot of different tones from one colour.
I am just going to see if I can grab my bleach.
Yeah, I'm not seeing any colour changes in that, are you?
I'm not. Oh, here be the bleach.
No, it's not neat bleach, it is a diluted bleach.
I can't remember what I think this is 50/50, isn't it?
If not, it'll be 30/70.
See if it does anything. It's moving it on, it really is.
So while it's still wet, you get the good effects of moving the inks, and it can create different shapes to it, and it bleaches it out, obviously. When the ink is dry, it has a completely different effect.
To it. You know, it's funny, when you do put the bleach into it, the blue-black seems to separate to blue and black. How interesting is that?
Okay, so from this little experiment, I can see that this Pelican ink doesn't have much chromatography.
So I don't know if you can see this. It's just still quite dark for some reason, my camera. But
I see
can
what
you
you
see
mean.
the line there and where some of the bleach has gone? It's actually bringing out the black in the blue-black. It is getting little dots and stuff in it as well, but I don't know if that's just the paper coming up. Can you see the dots?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. This is going to look different even tomorrow. So it's worth leaving and letting it do its work, really. What we do is we keep these. We have one for each ink we own so that we can see what it does.
Thank you very much for joining us as we excitedly opened our winter 2020 Artful box. Like I said earlier, it is a subscription service, £35 every 3 months, isn't it? So they're seasonal. And I'm going to have a lot of fun playing with it because I love ink. So thank you very much for joining us today as we opened our Artful boxes. If you have enjoyed our video, please give it a like, and that's using the thumbs up button, which you'll find just above the description. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. That would be absolutely awesome. And we look forward to joining you again with our next videos. You could even join us on patreon.com at Unravel and Unwind for a whole host of other crafty related videos and chit chats. I'll put all the links in the description below so that you can easily find things. Thank you for joining me this evening on Christmas Eve, Syreeta. Have a very happy Christmas.
Yep, everybody, and we've got more coming in the new year.
We have, yes. So Merry Christmas, everyone. Enjoy your holiday seasonal break, and we'll catch up with you in our next videos.